Hey guys, what's up? Uncle Winston here. If you're a fan of World of Warcraft, then you're in for a treat. MSI have just produced a special edition GeForce RTX 5070 to celebrate Blizzard's latest expansion pack, the World of Warcraft Midnight. So in this video, we'll be taking a quick look at what makes this card so special. So what we have here is the MSI GeForce RTX 5070 World of Warcraft Midnight Void Edition. It features a special custom backplate with the Mystic Blue and the Glorious Gold colors. It uses an overclocked GPU to boost gaming performance and features MSI Tri-Frozen 4 thermal design with Stormforce fans to provide sufficient cooling. You also get the nickel-plated copper base plate, the core heat pipes and a solid metal backplate. Inside the box you will find a World of Warcraft stickers for your backplate, a quick installation guide, a graphics card holder and a converter cable with two 8-pin PCIe to a 16-pin 12VH WPR for NVIDIA graphics cards. Now if you don't know already, the GeForce RTX 5070 features NVIDIA's Blackwell architecture and comes with a total of 6,144 CUDA cores, 5th gen Tensor cores, 4th gen RT cores, as well as supporting DLSS4. With a total of 12GB of GDDR7 RAM running at 28GB per second, is more than capable of running the latest AAA games at 1440p or even at 4K with ultra smooth frame rates, including the World of Warcraft Midnight. We'll be putting this card into our test rig to see how it performs, but before we do that, let me show you how to choose the right parts for your next PC build. This video was made possible thanks to Flex Studios, the developer of Rig Builder by Funkykit. So picture this, you've just learned how to build a PC after months of research and you're ready to build your dream PC based on the budget that you have in mind. So where do you begin? Choosing the right parts for your PC build can be really daunting, especially when there's hundreds of brands and numerous models out there. And this is where Rig Builder comes in. It's our system configurator developed by Flex Studios, giving you the best prices from Amazon. One of the most attractive features of Rig Builder is that you don't need to specifically know the exact brand or model of those PC parts. With Rig Builder, all you need is three criteria: the budget you have in mind, your preferred CPU, and your preferred graphics card. Once you've entered your preferences and hit the submit button, Rig Builder will then go to Amazon to compile a list of 5 products from each category that will best match your criteria. You can now select an item from that list, and once you're happy with that choice, hit the Buy All button where it will take you to a summary page of all the items you've selected. And when you're ready to buy, just add the cart to proceed to the Amazon checkout. I know, you don't have to buy from Amazon, but at least to give you an idea of what you can get based on your budget. You can give Rig Builder a try at funkykit.com/rigbuilder. We hope Rig Builder will make the process of buying PC parts much easier. It's free to use and is available in all countries where Amazon is supported. Thanks for listening, and now back to the video. The MSI GeForce RTX 5070 World of Warcraft Edition, as I mentioned before, is based on the original Gaming Trio OC and share the same core performance, architecture and cooling performance. It's essentially the same card, but this card features a special custom backplate with the classic Mystic Blue and Glorious Gold colors based on Blizzard's World of Warcraft Midnight. It's powered by a slightly overclocked GeForce RTX 5070 GPU with a boost speed of 2610 MHz and comes with 12GB of GDDR7 VRAM on a 192-bit memory bus running at a speed of 28GB per second, so it should give us some decent performance. During our test, we used the MSI Mag B850 Gaming Plus Max Wi-Fi motherboard along with the AMD Ryzen 9 9950X at default clock speeds. We also used 48GB of the DDR5 8000 RAM. We got decent scores in all of our benchmarks, including a score of 8972 for Basemark Relic of Life and a Geekbench GPU score of 187,738. For Unigen's Valley benchmark, we got a score of 9,289 and a Final Fantasy score of 20,108. Passmark 11 GPU score was 31,924. For Super Precision 1080p Extreme and optimized 4K benchmarks, we got an acceptable score of 13,395 and 17,678 respectively. For 3D Mark Steel, Nomad and Speedway, we got decent scores of 5,333 and 6,029 respectively. For Port Royal and Time Spy, we produced a respectable score of 14,872 and 22,877 respectively. We also got a DirectX ray tracing score of 60.13 frames per second and a DLSS score of 119.82 frames per second. For our Cyberpunk 2077 tests, with ray tracing overdrive options and RTX on as well as DLSS enabled, we got a score of 39.45 frames per second at 4K, which sounds about right. However, at 1440p and 1080p, with RTX off but DLSS on, we got excellent scores of 171 frames per second and 192.8 frames per second respectively. And finally, for Monster Hunter Wilds, with high settings at 4K, we got a very nice score of 16,944 with an average frame rate of 98.78 frames per second. The power consumption at full load was as expected at around about 231.9 watts, so no issues here. According to Nvidia, the total graphics power for the GeForce RTX 5070 is around about 250 watts, so we recommend a minimum power supply of 750 or higher. So what's our thoughts on this card? Well, as far as performance is concerned, it's exactly the same as MSI's original GeForce RTX 5070 Gaming Trio OC. As for aesthetics, it's very unique and has a gorgeous color scheme. I can see it being extremely desirable for fans and collectors who love World of Warcraft. Expect the price of this card to cost a little more than your standard version due to the co-branding and licensing. The MSI GeForce RTX 5070 World of Warcraft Midnight Edition performs just like the original Gaming Trio OC version and offers strong performance at 1440p. It's a unique and premium collector-focused gaming card for true World of Warcraft fans. You can check out the full review on our website at Funkykit.com. And there you have it, that was a quick look at the MSI GeForce RTX 5070 World of Warcraft Midnight Special Edition. It features an overclocked GPU that offers decent gaming performance and has these lovely colours that all you World of Warcraft fans out there will love. So what do you think of this graphics card? And if you're a fan of World of Warcraft, will you be getting one? Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give us a like and leave a comment down below. Don't forget you can actually buy this via the links in the description, and of course visit our website for more news, reviews and hot tips. Oh yeah, don't forget, hit the subscribe button for more. Until next time, this is Winston for Funkykit.com.